Hello guys, welcome back to the MedEd YouTube channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss what should be your perfect timetable while you are preparing for an FMG exam. So guys, let me first introduce myself. I am Dr. Himanshu Gupta and I am a radiology faculty on MedEd. So why do we need to make a routine? Why do we need to make a timetable? I want to tell you this thing first. You know what happens with many students? They will get up every morning, and even I during my NEET PG preparation, this happened with me also. We waste 2 to 3 hours just thinking what do we have to read. We have so many subjects and we will get confused what we have to read on a particular day. And this is a very famous quote that I would like to share with you, is that if you fail to plan, then you plan to fail. So if you don't have any idea when you get up in the morning what you have to read today, you are just going to waste 2 to 3 hours just thinking what do I have to read. And if somehow you get some instinct that I have to read a particular subject, then it may happen that you may pick up that subject and you may not feel like reading it. You may read it for 2 to 3 hours and then again you are going to drop it. So that is the main problem. So we have to make a plan. We have to make a 2 months plan. What do we have to read on every day? You know what happens when we have a plan? We will get an idea of how much time we are going to spend on every subject, how much time we are going to spend on the videos, how much time we are going to get to solve the MCQs, to solve the grand test. When we don't have a long-term plan, we will not have any idea of how many revisions we are going to do, of how many times we are going to do the question bank, the grand test and everything. So that is the whole point. So once you have made a 2 months plan, if you miss a single day of your preparation, what will happen? You will get anxious, you will get worried that if I miss my day of anatomy today, I'm not going to get another chance to read it. So that pushes us every day to complete our plan and to reach our goal. We have to have a long-term plan. This is very clear to us. Now, how do we have to divide our day? So I will make things very simple for you. We have to do the MCQs, we have to do the revision, we have to do we have to read the theory from the notes, and we have to solve the grand test. So the most important thing I feel for your NEET PG or FMG preparation is revision. We have so many subjects, we are going to read them 1 or 2 times before the exam, but that is not going to help us. We are not going to remember anything on the day of the exam if we just read our subjects for 1 or 2 times. And I will tell you, the most difficult part of the preparation is not solving the MCQs, is not watching the videos, is not doing the grand test. The most difficult part of this preparation is that reading things again and again, right? We can read the thing for the first time, that feels very good to us, but when we are going to read the thing for the second time, that feels very boring. And that is the main problem with a mediocre student. So the first thing that you are going to do every day is that you are going to revise daily for 3 hours whatever you have read the previous day and the previous week. If you follow this thing, your problem of retaining things will be gone. You are going to remember things for a longer time if you are devoting the first 3 hours of your day to revising whatever you have read. Then you can begin on doing the MCQs or watching the videos. You can spend next 2 to 3 hours of your day watching the videos and making notes. And what we have to do, if you feel that some subject is very clear to you, you have good concepts, for those subjects you can just focus on the notes, and you can pick up few topics which you are not very clear. Those topics you can try reading or try watching the videos. So the next 6 to 8 hours should be dedicated to watching videos and reading theory. So once you are done with revising 3 hours daily and reading your theory for 6 hours, you will get exhausted. Now once you are exhausted after like reading for 6 to 9 hours, this is the time then you can pick up your MCQs and grand test. At between 6 to 9 p.m. pick up your MCQs. You can solve the MCQs from the subjects that you have read in the previous week. So this way you will be recalling things whatever you have read in the last week, and this will help you remember things for a longer period of time. Or if you are bored with doing MCQs from one subject, you can pick up the grand test. So this is how your daily routine should be while you are preparing for the FMG exam. You should sleep on time, right? You can sleep at 10 p.m. You can get up at 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Okay, you should not compromise on your sleep. But yes, okay, whatever time that you are awake, try to devote most of your time to the studies. The more you are going to study, the better the luck will be in favor of you. That is what I believe in. And guys, keep on working hard, and with hard work anything is possible. So I hope this short video is helpful for you for forming a good timetable. And till then guys, bye bye, take care, keep working hard.